Do you love avocados? Then stop scrolling, because the way you're eating them might be silently harming your body. Yes, even something as healthy looking as an avocado can turn into a health trap depending on how it is prepared and consumed. And if you're one of those people who think that just because something is natural, it's automatically harmless, this video might shake that belief to its core. In the next few minutes, I'll show you why eating avocado the wrong way can actually hurt your health, the most common mistakes people make with this fruit, and exactly how to eat it safely and effectively for better energy, heart protection, and even weight loss. But there's a hidden twist at the end of the video that almost nobody talks about, and that's where the real danger lies. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We share practical, science-based health tips that are easy to follow and truly life-changing, especially for those over 40. And if you know someone who loves avocados, share this video with them. What you're about to learn could save them from a health setback they never saw coming. Let's get into it. Avocados are nutritional powerhouses. They're rich in healthy fats, especially oleic acid, which helps lower bad cholesterol and boost the good kind. They're packed with fiber, B vitamins, vitamin E, and minerals like potassium and magnesium. On paper, they seem like a dream food. But here's the catch. Even healthy foods can turn on you if used the wrong way. One of the most damaging and unfortunately common habits is eating avocado with sugar or condensed milk. In some cultures, it's traditional, but combining healthy fat with a sugar bomb? That's a metabolic disaster waiting to happen. This mix sends your blood sugar soaring, puts pressure on your pancreas, and encourages belly fat storage. It may taste good, but it's quietly laying the groundwork for insulin resistance and even metabolic syndrome. Worse still, sugar turns this anti-inflammatory fruit into a pro-inflammatory trigger. That's right. Refined sugar, especially in high amounts, increases systemic inflammation, speeds up aging, and can even impair brain function. If you're over 40, this combo might be silently working against your goals, especially if you're trying to lose weight, stay sharp, or manage blood pressure. Now let's talk about timing. Did you know that the time of day you eat avocado actually affects how your body responds? Many people eat avocado in the morning, thinking it's a clean, energizing breakfast. But for those with sluggish digestion, acid reflux, or irregular bowels, it can actually cause discomfort and slow you down instead of fueling you. Surprisingly, the best time to eat avocado might be at night. That's because avocados are high in tryptophan, an amino acid that supports the production of serotonin and melatonin, which help with mood, relaxation, and sleep quality. Eating a small portion of avocado in the evening can calm your mind, curb nighttime cravings, and even help you fall asleep faster. But it only works if you eat it plain. No sugar, no dairy, no excess. Speaking of excess, that brings us to the next big mistake, portion size. Just because avocados are healthy doesn't mean you should eat a whole one every day. They're incredibly calorie dense. A single avocado can have over 300 calories, and if you're trying to lose weight or keep your metabolism steady, that could backfire. The right amount? 2 to 4 tablespoons per day. That's it. Now here is something most people never think about. How you store your avocado matters more than you think. Many people scoop out half the fruit and leave the other half sitting in the fridge with the skin exposed. But once the avocado flesh is exposed to air, the healthy fats begin to oxidize, and this oxidation produces free radicals. In plain terms, those good fats start to go bad and can become inflammatory rather than healing. If you cut an avocado and want to save the rest, here's the trick. Keep the pit in, seal it in an airtight container, and squeeze a little lemon juice on top to prevent oxidation. This tiny habit can make a huge difference in how your body reacts to the fruit over time. And it gets even more serious. Did you know that the skin and seed of the avocado can be dangerous? Especially if the fruit isn't organic or hasn't been washed properly, the outer layers can carry pesticide residues. And those chemicals? They don't just rinse off easily. They can cause digestive issues, weaken your liver, and even increase your risk for long-term conditions if consumed often. Never scrape the skin with a spoon and avoid letting the skin touch the edible part too much. As for the seed, despite what you might have seen online, consuming it in powder form can be risky. Some compounds in the avocado seed are toxic in high doses, especially to your liver. But perhaps the most concerning danger of all lies in a new trend: chemically ripened avocados. That's right. Many commercial avocados are harvested green and then artificially ripened using industrial gases like ethylene. They may look perfect on the outside, but they often contain fewer nutrients and more chemical residues. These fake ripe avocados not only taste different but can cause stomach irritation, allergic reactions, and may be linked to long-term inflammation in sensitive individuals. If you've ever felt bloated, gassy, or off after eating avocado, this might be why. So what can you do? Stick to organic avocados whenever possible. Look for firm skins, no dark bruises, and allow them to ripen naturally at room temperature. Even better, buy local. The less time spent in cold storage or transport, the lower the chance of contamination or chemical ripening. Now here's the surprising twist. Have you ever heard of latex fruit syndrome? It's a real condition, and it affects thousands of people, many of whom have no idea. If you're allergic to latex, you could have a cross-reaction to avocados. Symptoms include itchy mouth, swollen lips, scratchy throat, and in severe cases, difficulty breathing. It doesn't mean avocado is bad. It means you need to listen to your body. If you ever feel off after eating avocado, don't ignore it. Talk to your doctor. Just because something is healthy for one person doesn't mean it's safe for everyone. Now that you know what not to do, let me show you the right way to enjoy avocado and get every single benefit from it, safely and deliciously. One of the best recipes? A simple avocado mash with lemon and turmeric. The vitamin C from the lemon helps preserve the healthy fats, while the turmeric adds a powerful anti-inflammatory boost. Together, they form a potent combo for heart health, brain clarity, and anti-aging. You can also make a savory avocado spread. Blend it with garlic, olive oil, and fresh parsley. Spread it on whole grain toast or dip fresh veggies in it. You'll get all the good fats, fiber, and antioxidants without the sugar crash or belly bloat. And here's a bonus tip. Pair your avocado with a lean protein like hard-boiled eggs or shredded chicken. It helps balance digestion, increases satiety, and supports steady blood sugar, especially helpful for those managing pre-diabetes or weight concerns. At the end of the day, avocado can be your best friend or your silent enemy. It all depends on how you use it. If you're loading it with sugar, overdoing the portions, storing it wrong, or buying low-quality fruit, you're not doing your health any favors. But if you take a mindful approach, choose wisely, store it properly, and combine it with the right ingredients, avocado becomes a nutritional ally that supports your energy, your skin, your heart, and your hormones. So let me ask you now, have you ever made one of these avocado mistakes? Did you notice any weird symptoms or discomfort afterward? I'd love to hear your story. Share it in the comments below. And if you learned something new today, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. It really helps us keep making videos that empower people to take charge of their health, especially those navigating the second half of life with strength and confidence. Because remember, health isn't luck, it's a choice. And today, you made a smart one by sticking with us to the end of this video.